Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make ornaments for Krishna Janmashtami at home. First, I'll be showing how to make short chain. For that, you need a cardboard and cut the cardboard into desired shape. Next, take some Fevicol or glue gun using brush, apply it on the cardboard. Stick the tissue paper on top of the cardboard. Using glue gun, design as per your choice. It does not have to be perfect. Just design it randomly. This is how it looks after completing the design. Next, take gliding solution. If you do not have this, you can apply Fevicol or white glue. This is a gold foil. Stick the gold foil as shown and remove any excess gold foil. This is how it looks after completing. To enhance the look, you can stick some tiny mirrors. Repeat the same process for the long chain. Attach the gold cord as shown. This is how it looks after completing. You can check out my previous video on how to wear dhoti with dupatta.